Yo, what's up guys? I'm Engineer Mute, a non-elite runner who just do running for fun. This is my first ever YouTube video. So welcome to Breaking 145, a series where I document my journey to run a sub 145 half marathon. I've been running for a while now. I've been running for the last 1.5 years. So here's where I'm at right now. So my 5K personal best is at 23 minutes and 17 seconds. For the 10K, 47 minutes and 25 seconds. For the half marathon, personal best at 1 hour and 47 seconds. And for the marathon, I have my personal best at 4:05. So, yeah, I'm that close for that sub 145 goal, but it's not gonna be easy. I've got 8 weeks to train, and I have no idea how this is gonna go, but we're gonna go find this out together. Why I'm doing this? Well, I've been running for a while now, but I've never really documented my trainings like this. And I feel like this goal is a good test, not just physically, but mentally. I know there are a lot of runners out there who are chasing PRs. Some other just want to level up and or just figuring out how to pass that plateau. So I thought, why not bring you guys along for this journey? Here's the plan. To hit that sub 145, I need to average at least 4:58 per kilometers or 7:58 per mile for that half marathon. That might not sound so crazy, but holding that pace for the whole race, that's my challenge. So, my 8-week plan is built around 3 key things. One is the speed work. So, gotta get comfortable running faster than my race pace. Second one, the long runs, because endurance is key. The third one is strength and recovery runs. So, no injuries, no excuses. Okay? What can you expect from this series? So, each week, I'll be sharing my training progress. So, what's working, what's not, the highs and lows, because this won't all be smooth sailing. Next one is the race strategies. So, how I plan to actually execute on race day. I want this to be real, okay? So, no fake, everything's perfect training. So, if I struggle, you'll see it. If I have breakthrough, then you'll see it, that too. It's all part of the journey. But this isn't just about me. If you're also training for a half marathon or any big goal, for like marathon or ultra marathons, let's do this together, okay? So drop your goal time in the comments for the half marathon, for the full marathon, or what any key races you've been training. And subscribe to follow along this series. And let's push each other's PRs, okay? Let's do this. Alright, so that's the first video. So first episode down. Next up is the actual training. So I'll be breaking down my first few weeks of workout, how I'm feeling, and whether I'm tracked for that sub 145 plan. So yeah, let's see where this goes and see you in the next one.